Welcome back to Sports Extra. The Classical Academy Titans are state champions after a thrilling 42-36 win over Wellington. It was a great atmosphere at Dutch Clark Stadium in Pueblo as TCA brought the whole student body. It looked great out there, and we thought we would take you there. We present to you the Sounds of State.
Pass caught by number 3, Zach Renavia. Touchdown, TCA. Pass complete to Zach Renavia. Touchdown, TCA. Shout out to Bubba Bank and Truck. 1889. Bubba Bank and Truck. The 16, Justin Chipper in the end zone, touchdown, TCA.
Go TCA!
Andrew Brown takes it in for a TCA touchdown. Tanner Gray with the carry into the end zone. Number 3, Kyle Kisner into the end zone for the 2-point attempt.
TCA all day! TCA all the way!
Pass complete to number 14. Pass complete to number 4, Elijah Wright.
Oh my, I couldn't believe it. I was cheering in my head. I was like, we just went up a touchdown. I was like, I couldn't believe it.
Well, I dumped one Gatorade bucket after we got the interception. I was trying to dump the other one. I didn't know there was 2. But I'm not even cold anymore.
This means the world, not only as players, our coaches, but this entire school. We did it! I can't even take it in how much this means to us. This is an amazing, amazing victory.
Congratulations to the TCA Titans.